These volcanoes form what is geologically considered the largest mountain in the world. If measured from the ocean floor to the top, Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa reach an impressive 10,203 meters in total, surpassing even Everest in height, if we consider its base on the ocean floor. Hawaii was formed entirely by volcanoes, which slowly emerged from the seabed over millions of years. This geological process is explained by the phenomenon known as a hotspot, an area in the Earth's mantle where magma rises and creates new islands as the solidified material forms the archipelago.